5 points down for the Nifty, a print of sub 6,000 on the Nifty. For the Sensex, the first rates are, we've got a cut of 20 points. 20 points down for the Sensex, 7 points down for the Nifty. Let's start with Bharti. That is the big story. 330 rupees for Bharti. The strategic investor is coming at 340. So maybe 340 now could act as a base for Bharti in the near term. 12 rupees up for Bharti, 8 rupees down for ICICI Bank. A flat start for HDFC Bank, and State Bank of India has taken a knock of about 16 rupees. Mahindra & Mahindra was a big mover yesterday. Today it is off to a weak start. What about rate sensitives now? Let's look at PSU banks. They are the ones which will react and adjust automatically and immediately to the credit policy communication. 703 for Bank of Baroda. State Bank of India is not going anywhere, and Punjab National Bank also is trading with a downward bias. TCS was the high flyer on Thursday. Today TCS is off to a very flat start. Nothing special for Infosys, which is up nearly 0.5%. Lupin is marching towards a new all-time high, and Sun Pharma is now at 970 rupees.
Okay, to the broader markets then. Reliance Communications opens higher in the session. You have some traction in Tech Mahindra as well in trade as we spot. To bring up Adani Ports, Gujarat Pipavav on the back of earnings. Adani Ports picks up about 1.5%. Gujarat Pipavav, good earnings at 4.5% higher on that stock. On the restructuring news, let's bring up Andrew Yule, and let's see whether that stock is really reacting to the restructuring package issued. Andrew Yule, yes, up 4% in the session. Havells, which was a consensus buy this morning. Let's see how the stock has opened in trade. That's 1% higher in the session. You're also looking at some of the auto ancillary names doing well, and of course some of the mid-tier banking names are holding fort. So Vijaya Bank, Andhra Bank, these stocks are performing. Apollo Tyres has picked up. Jubilant Foodworks is a bit active in the session. You're also looking at some of the infrastructure as well as pharmaceutical names. Divi's Labs being a case in point, also opening higher in trade. On the losing side, some of the real estate names, Unitech is down about 1.5%. You're looking at Adani Power giving way in the session. Aside of that, Tata Global Beverages looking a bit weak.
I just want to mark out Gujarat Pipavav. They came out with absolutely cracker set of numbers, and it's a port company. Environment is tough for exports. Environment is tough for infra companies. But Gujarat Pipavav came out with absolutely cracker set of numbers. It is moving up, and it is moving up on very strong volumes.